Hey everyone, Vinny with Distance-Calculators.com here, home of the most practical and easy to use Excel tools built to save you time and remove the frustration of repetitive logistic work. Today I want to tell you about one of my clients, Marcus Thompson, who runs a small non-emergency medical transportation NEMT company called MedRide in Dallas. Marcus has a team of 8 drivers handling dozens of trips each day, picking up patients, taking them to appointments, and bringing them home. It's steady work, but the problem was always the payroll. So every pay period, Marcus spent an entire day trying to calculate what each driver earned. He had to figure out loaded miles, deadhead miles, wait times, and different service rates, all by hand in Excel. It wasn't just slow, it was stressful for him. So one week, a driver noticed a pay mistake, and Marcus realized he had missed a few trips while entering the data. That simple error cost him money, created tension with his team, and made him question if there was a better way to manage everything. So that's when Marcus found the distance-based payroll calculator from Distance-Calculators.com, and it changed everything for him. Instead of guessing and using multiple spreadsheets, the tool does all the heavy lifting for him right inside of Excel. Before you start using the distance-based payroll calculator, you'll want to do a quick setup to make sure everything is customized for your business. First, we go to the driver's sheet. This is where you list all your drivers and their individual pay details. You'll enter a driver's name, ID, email, along with their per rate mile, flat rate, and the number of free miles they get before the per mile pay kicks in. This is how the tool knows exactly how to calculate each driver's pay based on your rules. Next, we can go to the template sheet. This is where you can personalize your payroll report. You can replace the sample logo with your company logo, update your company name, and enter your address. These details will automatically appear on every payroll report you generate, giving your reports a professional branded look. Once you've set up these two sections, then your driver information and your template details, you are ready to start calculating the payroll. So next, you click on Generate Payrolls. The calculator will automatically apply all your payrolls to generate individual payrolls for all of your drivers. Then you'll see the payrolls added as individual sheets named after each driver, which makes this very, very easy to use. So finally, we can click on Export Payrolls. With one click, the tool creates professional, ready-to-send PDF payroll reports for each driver. Each report will list trips, mileage, and pay calculation, making it a no-brainer. Now, instead of spending an entire day on payroll, Marcus finishes everything in less than an hour. He hasn't had a single pay dispute since switching to the tool, and now his drivers actually trust the numbers because everything is transparent and consistent. Marcus says the tool's paid for itself the very first time he used it. No more long weekends doing payroll, no more driver complaints, just accuracy, speed, and peace of mind. And again, my name is Vinny. We've helped more than 7,000 people from all kinds of industries make their work just easier with tools like this one. And honestly, most of them say they'd never go back to the old way of doing things. We're so very proud. We've got over 146 5-star reviews on Google. It means a lot because it shows how many people actually trust and enjoy our tools. The reason people love our Excel tools is simple. They're easy to use and they just work. You don't need to install anything, you go through a complicated setup, right? Everything writes right inside Excel and you can start getting results right away. Plus, you'll always have great support if you need help. And the best part, it's a one-time purchase. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, just a simple, affordable tool that saves you hours of work every week. If you're still spending hours every week doing manual payroll or worrying about errors, the Excel distance-based payroll calculator can change that in a jiffy for you. To download the tool, just click on the description below. If you need this tool also customized or want a complete custom Excel solution, I understand that everybody's situation, everybody's business is different, everybody's got their special sauce. Just don't hesitate to reach out, and then you can contact me by phone, by email, or just simply visit our site Distance-Calculators.com to start a live chat with me. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell to stay updated on our latest tools. We're always putting out videos, we're always putting new products, we're always putting out cases on how we help businesses like yours to make your life just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.